How to clear the cache in Archero game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Clearing cache on Archero 2 will help you fix minor issues like slow performance, loading problems, or temporary glitches in Archero 2. So in that case, if you want to clear the cache in the app, launch open the Archero 2 game first, and once you do, from the main homepage, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu icon. From the expanded menu, tap Settings. Inside the Settings menu, go to the bottom and click on Clear Cache. In the pop-up, click Confirm. This will close off your Archero 2 account. Just open it up again, and that's how you clear the cache in Archero 2. So there you have it. The game now runs more smoothly and any temporary issues has been resolved. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.